Akakiiko aka katangire kushanga ngu ekibuga kya Fort Portal nikyebwa obusente buke munonga n'obukirabe kiri ngu bakakihinguza kuruga aha municipality kya Basite.
Kyentabye wano Fort Portal obawa city baba wa byabufuzi byoyabanswa baba wa kibuga kyongera kukuza kitundu kyabwe bakiyita Fort Portal tourist city. Naye bwe bali municipality nga baba wa million 1 billion okola enguudo mailo kilomita 128 ate bafuka city enguudo nzeyongera obungi ate sente basala n'abafuwa baba wa million 8 ate tezigirawo.
Aba bashangire ngo buringwa bwa kilomita 4 bw'enguuto n'obuhebwa sente zirukwingana obukiiko 8 ngo kandi nyuma bakaba nibatunga akahumbe kamwe.
But all what we are saying that they are so meager that we cannot make ends meet at all.
Wano lwate tulidde mu component ya ddwaliro ekwatagana na Mulago egamba nti tulina city hospital omuntu watwalibwa mu kibuga afunye obuzibu.
Aha kutandika kw'omwaka ogu meya wa Fort Portal City akaranjara okubine kuba nibaguza ebintu bya Fort Portal nk'omuringo gumwe gw'okutunga sente z'okushashura amabanja.
They are worried because most of their properties might be attached by the courts. So we therefore request the Minister of Local Government come on ground, find a quick solution for such cases so that we can have a good developing city in our country, Uganda.
We ask the local government to create boundaries and provide share assets between the former government, local government, and the new cities. This has not been done up to now, and this is because they have refused to put up a statutory instrument or law that governs sharing of these assets.
Okurijera hari Joseph Gonzaga Sewungu orukurra akakiiko aka nagira ngo ministry y'ebyanga hamwe na gavumenti ya rwagati eine kora kyonna ekirukubasika kureba ngo enshonga za Fort Portal zakorwaho.
Because when they are showing this municipality or city, they issue the attorney general, local government and them. So what has local government and attorney general done to sort out these litigations?
Gashakwa Jonathan Tusingwire.